The health warning every smartphone user over 65 needs to hear. Adults over 65 are spending up to 10 hours a day on screens, and it's one of the biggest hidden threats to your health. But what's fascinating is that this didn't happen overnight. Someone actually saw this coming 70 years ago. I found this in the Tacoma News Tribune. It was on April 11th, 1953. There'll be no escape in the future from telephones. Mark R. Sullivan, the San Francisco president and director of the Pacific Telephone and Telegraph Company, said this in an address. Just what form the future of the telephone will take is, of course, pure speculation. But here's my prophecy. In the final development, the telephone will be carried about by the individual, perhaps as we carry a watch today. I know I carry mine in my pocket. He also told us this. It probably will require no dial or equivalent. And he also said, I think the user will be able to actually see each other if they want to as they talk. Who knows, but it may actually translate from one language to another. Now remember, this was in 1953 he was saying this. Wow, did he nail that? But he forgot a few things. The phone will be able to talk to you and give you directions when you're driving. You can watch TV on it. You can take pictures and videos with it. And it will actually take the place of a photo album and a compass, and you can send emails and read emails. You could read books on it. Well, you catch my drift. How do you use your phone? Many of us may scroll for hours, reading, looking at nothing or nothing important. Face it, the programs we scroll on are designed to keep you on that platform, to keep you watching there. One video after another. But here's one impact all this scrolling can have, and it's a big one. A phone can take away from your exercise time. It increases your sitting time by many, many hours, but it's only if you let it. I'm actually making a video on how sitting is the new smoking health-wise, and that'll be finished in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned. Phones can keep you still and immobile for long periods of time. You're scrolling, watching, reading, and this can lead to weight gain, poor circulation, muscle loss, and if we're on the phone, we're not moving. And movement is good for us. Lack of movement is strongly linked to heart disease and a shorter lifespan. Our phones aren't what they used to be. That's for sure. We went from this, to this, to this, to this, and to this. What do you use your phone for besides making a phone call, which is becoming more of a rarity? Seems like texting has taken over. I'm not saying phones are bad. It's how and how much we use them that may be harmful. There are really good exercise programs you can get on your phone for all ages. Do you use your phone for those? There's great educational material. Do you use your phone for those, or do you just scroll and watch silly cat videos? Scrolling on your phone takes time away from things that are important for us older adults, like exercise, social interaction, outdoor activity, and learning and growth. Does it ruin your sleep? Are you up at 2 a.m. for a pee, and then you say, I might as well check the news, or play that chess game with that person I've been playing with from Bulgaria at 3 in the morning? Late night phone use affects our body's ability to rest. The blue light suppresses melatonin, which is a sleep hormone for us. The phone keeps our brain alert when we should be winding down and getting ready for sleep. This leads to poor sleep quality and fatigue and recovery. Phones can increase the danger of slipping and tripping and with a resulting fall. When you're on your phone for hours a day, you're usually sitting. And the problem with that is, especially as we get older, is that our body starts to lose strength faster than you realize. Muscle loss isn't just about looking weaker. It affects our balance and our stability and our ability to catch ourselves if we do stumble. And it affects even your confidence in moving around. And when your muscles get weaker, your risk of slipping, tripping, and falling goes way up. Add the phone to that, and that could mean trouble. You're walking while you're looking down, you're not paying attention, maybe checking a message or scrolling or watching something, and that's when accidents happen. It doesn't take much, and for us older adults, one fall can change everything. So, it's not just about wasting your time on the phone. It's about what that time is taking away from you and the added risk. Now, don't get me wrong, the new technology is fantastic, and they are such a great safety device. If you have one close to you and you fall, you can call for help. If you're having chest pain, you can call for help. You can keep in touch with your grandkids. They are great devices to have, but don't let them run your life.
Thanks for watching. Now, if you found value in these videos, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to share it with someone who you think may benefit from it, maybe your parents. And I'd love to hear your comments on how I can make better videos and the topics you would like to see.